Hey everyone, welcome to AAT Kings. This is the workshop, and I'm Leo Barbero, and I've been with the company for getting on to 7 years now, and currently working down here at the Rock, remote location of Yulara, as a leading hand here at the workshop. So today I just wanted to talk about life in a life of a mechanic, and what we do on a day-to-day basis. So first of all, what I like about working at AAT Kings, mainly, look, I consider it not a mundane job. So day to day, it's always something different. It's not one of those things where you come in, doing the same job, spinning filters day in, day out. It's not like that. You're exposed to different varieties of work, job tasks. So some of the challenges that we face here working in a remote location like is Rock is, number one, I have to say, the bloody flies. They're just everywhere. No, look, there's only certain periods of the year that the flies annoy the hell out of us. But I get that. We just deal with it. Other challenges that we face is really the heat conditions here. It does get very hot in certain times of the year, but to overcome those challenges, the business and the company's very flexible with hours that we work in. So we come in early in the morning when it's relatively cool, and knock off before that afternoon heat comes about. So in that sense, very flexible with the work hours. Next thing I have to say, probably freight being so remote, it can be slow. But with the full support of other depots at Alice Springs and a solid system that we got here and assistance from the operations team, we do get around and overcome some of those challenges around freight and supplies into the Rock. And I guess lastly, I would have to say the technical side of things, the technical support that we receive can be, again, slow and what have you, but to overcome that, we've learned, over the years between all the depots that we have in the Northern Territory, but also in New South Wales and Sydney, we share that knowledge and experience and, diagnostic repairs. So again, in sharing that knowledge and experience, we get that support from one another, across all depots to again overcome those challenges in some of the technical repairs that's thrown at us. Alright, so enough about me. Let me introduce you to the workshop floor mechanics.
Hi, my name is Surendra Prasad.
I'm from Fiji Islands. I've been in this company for 2.5 years now. Basically, we are working on new fleets like Cummins, Scanias. We got some Toyotas and some Mercedes. Working with AAT Kings is a really good company. Is in a business-wise, they have been sponsored me and my family.
Hi, I'm Norman Dalagan. As I work in AAT Kings as a senior mechanic, and I start to work here almost 6 years these days this year. And then what I like to do is doing job is like AC works, tire fitting, and funnel fitting, welding, all of it, and mechanical on the works.
Right, so when I talk about, variety of work in the workshop, you could find yourself doing welding one day, or, electrical repairs, aircon repairs. We do all that in-house here. And also tire fitting, we've got our own tire fitting machine. So again, different jobs throughout the day, and every day is different. So the next thing would have to be the fleet itself is relatively new. So again, as you can see, the vehicles we've got here and the coaches we've got here are all fairly new. I think the oldest vehicle we've got in the fleet of 2013. So again, with a relatively new fleet, easier to maintain, and again, with our key focus in preventive maintenance, we can reduce a lot of these major repairs down the track.